Hello and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Kelly Ainsworth here at the 2015 IADC Asset Integrity and Reliability Conference in Houston, Texas. I'm here with Brady Austin, Global QHSE service line owner for Lloyd's Register Energy Drilling. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. Earlier today you gave a presentation about designing an effective maintenance management system. How can the management system contribute to accidents or failure during maintenance activities?
Well, basically it boils down to having things not clearly defined, communicated, or implemented in a management system. So if you don't first clearly define what the personnel should do, then you can't implement that, and so therefore you can't communicate to them exactly what it is they're supposed to do. So therefore they end up coming up with their own process of performing the work, which has its own difficulties and possibilities of injury.
How can companies engineer out failures and set employees up for success?
Involve the employees in the creation of the program. They're one of your most valuable resources of information around whatever that task or object is that you're creating the program for. So if you involve them in that task, then you'll get that valuable feedback from them because they're the ones doing the work. So then when you develop the system, it will be able to be clearly defined, communicated, and implemented because you involve them from the beginning, and they'll take more ownership of it and feel that it's theirs and not theirs.
What role does the company's culture play in ensuring that maintenance activities are performed safely and correctly?
Culture is a huge player in that realm. Obviously, if management's not committed to ensuring safety in work practices and maintenance, then that does go a long way for culture. And if there's no purpose for management to ensure, in their own minds, for them to ensure that the maintenance is being performed safely, then the employees are not going to perform the maintenance safely. And it's not because they don't want to perform it safely, it's that they don't realize the risk or the hazards that may be involved with it. So if that hasn't been clearly communicated and all of that, then obviously you're setting them up to fail.
Thank you for joining us today, Brady, and sharing those insights with us.
Thank you. Thank you for the time.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.